How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Striker-8 versus our MultiColor Virtue-8 traffic advisors. So up top here, I brought our Striker-8 in an amber color model, but we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. And if you do need a custom light bar, we do have our customization tool on the product pages. So on this light bar, you'll have your power button with our optional direct control box, and then you'll have a mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here. So in mode 1, I have a flash pattern programmed, and then in mode 2, I have a second flash pattern programmed. And then in each of your power modes, you can use your pattern button here to change patterns. And you do have memory recall in mode 1 and mode 2. And then you have your traffic advising features here, such as your center out, and then you have your right left, and your left-right functions. And then within your traffic advisor, you also have multiple flash patterns you can choose from. So here you'll see that you have pattern 1, and then if you hit your pattern button, you'll have pattern 2, and then you'll have pattern 3. And that goes for your center out, left right, and right left traffic advising functions. And I can hit it one more time and I'm back to pattern 1. So you have mode 1, mode 2, and your center out, left right, and right left traffic advisor. And then you also have your slow to fast function here, which you can use to operate the speed of the flashing of your light bar, either in slow or fast mode. So that's fast mode, for example, and then back to slow. And that does work whether you're in warning mode or your traffic advising mode. And then finally you have your night mode here, which will activate the backlights on your optional direct control box. And you can either activate your night mode via button or your white cable that will be coming out of your cable harness that plugs into your control box. So let's go ahead and go over our MultiColor Virtue-8. So on the bottom here, I brought our MultiColor Virtue-8 in a red, blue, amber color setup. So my primary color is red, blue, and my secondary color is amber. And again, I'll have my power button here with my mode 1 and mode 2 buttons. Now in mode 1, I have this flash pattern programmed, and then in mode 2, I have a second flash pattern programmed. And you'll notice, since this is a multicolor model, my light bar is flashing back and forth between my primary and secondary colors. And again, this was a red, blue, amber color model, for example, but we do offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. Or we do have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your light bar. So you'll have your mode 1, your mode 2 buttons there, and again you can use your pattern button here to change patterns, whether you're in mode 1 or mode 2. And then you have your center out, right left, and left right traffic advisors here. So let's go ahead and go to center out, for example. Now on your multicolor bars, you do have the ability to run your traffic advisor or your warning mode in your primary, secondary, or multicolor flash patterns. So here is a red-blue flash pattern, for example, but if I hit my pattern button, you'll see I can cycle through my red-blue flash patterns, and then beyond my red-blue flash patterns, I have my amber flash patterns. So I'll have 3 patterns in red-blue, I'll have 3 patterns in amber, and then I'll have 3 patterns in my multicolor mode. So here I have multicolor going in my traffic advisor. So that's just an example of how you can run your primary, your secondary, or multicolor flash patterns individually by using our MultiColor Linear products. And paired with the mode memory and your traffic advising memory, you can program different flash patterns for mode 1, mode 2, and your traffic advising function as well. And then on both of our Striker-8 and MultiColor Virtue-8, paired with the optional direct control box, you will have an aux button here where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting, all off of your optional direct control. And then you do have your slow and fast function here, which you can use to operate in your traffic advising flash patterns or your warning flash patterns. So that covers our Striker-8 versus our MultiColor Virtue-8 traffic advisors. Make sure to check out the product pages for full product demos, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.